Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making the watermelon Southside cocktail. To start off, we're going to take 6 mint leaves, and remember, we don't muddle, so we're just going to slap them, and then we're going to put them into our shaker tin. Aggressive. Then we're going to take 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice, 1 ounce of watermelon juice.
Fresh.
This actually was fresh watermelon juice. I
squeezed it.
My cameraman got to experience what it's really like to squeeze a watermelon. It was very entertaining to watch. Last but not least, we're going to take 2 ounces of your favorite brand of gin. And then we're going to add ice.
With holes.
With holes. That was me. All right, we're going to shake.
What were you doing?
Stop it. We're going to shake for about 10 to 15 seconds till it's ice cold in your hand. And then we're going to double strain into the coupe. But this time we actually strain the watermelon, so it's not going to catch quite as much.
We came prepared.
For once.
Yes. Getting our crap together.
I don't know if that's a thing.
Yeah, no.
All right. Hence the holes in the watermelon. We have our watermelons.
Oh, that's where they went.
That's where they went. I know, because I figured out how to get them to sit.
Oh, good job.
Good job, me. Woohoo! All right, so there we have the watermelon Southside cocktail. I'm going to taste. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I will rate. 1 is I will have 1 cocktail and move along. 5 is I will drink it all night and hate myself in the morning. I am, oh.
Yep, I saw it.
Well, it's okay because we're just going to take that off so Juliana doesn't get poked.
Oregon State OSHA. Seems like you got a shoring problem.
So it smells, I got a hint of the mint, obviously a lot of watermelon. I could smell a little bit of the gin, but not. My gin is a New World gin, so I don't have like that super juniper-y smell or anything like that, but it smells very amazing. Taste, very watermelon forward. It's not super sweet, because I mean we did 1/2 of the ounces of simple to the lime and the watermelon, so it's not super sweet.
It's not fake watermelon.
And it's not fake watermelon, so it's not, again, so you're not going to get that like sickly sweet watermelon taste. It's actually fresh watermelon. Makes a difference. I will say at work, I do purchase watermelon juice in a can. You can get it on Amazon if you don't want to go all out and juice a watermelon. You can buy watermelon juice. Just know you may have to play with the cocktail a little bit at home just because it might be a little bit sweeter, depending on where you get it. So it's very watermelon forward. You get a hint of the lime. It just brightens it. It doesn't really mask any of the watermelon flavor. I taste the gin and I get the mint as well. It is very refreshing, especially for a summer cocktail. I got to rate this one 5 out of 5. It is absolutely delicious. It's a very well-balanced cocktail. I know I'm going to be making this, especially over the 4th of July weekend. I'm just going to throw that out there. So watermelons, here I come. So don't forget, ingredients are listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail right at home. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all at the next pour. Cheers.